Remove the leaves like this of this cabbage. Cut this into half. Remove the stalk of the cabbage. So we need to cut the cabbage now into big pieces like this. Next we have radish and we'll cut it into very thin slices. Our next ingredient is our carrot and we'll cut it into very thin slices. Spring greens. We need to roughly chop these. Now we have the bulbs, the white part of the spring onion. So we have been soaking these chilies for the past 1 hour. So we also need the water from these chilies. We need to add in some ginger and garlic. We have cut all the vegetables here. So we need to add in a lot of salt in this so that the cabbage and other vegetables lose water. We need to sit this cabbage for an hour. Now we cook the dried chilies. Along with the water, we need to add it to our pan and then cook it for around 10 minutes. As we can now see, the water has completely dried up from the chilies. We need to grind the chilies, tomato ketchup, vinegar a half cup, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Grind this to a fine paste. Next we prepare a slurry. Add in water. Add in 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it has turned into a thick paste like so. So we have been resting this cabbage for the past 1 hour and we need to now wash them with cold water. Now wash the cabbage completely. Remove it from the water and squeeze the water. We have drained all the vegetables which we had cut. This is the paste we have made, the chili paste. We will add this paste to the cut vegetable. And next we add in 2 tablespoons of soya, toasted sesame seeds. And now we need to mix and last we add in the slurry which we had prepared.